So, the new iPhone 17 Pro in this cosmic orange color. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. The box looks pretty standard. You have to remove these tabs. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, well, obviously, you have this new orange iPhone Pro. It looks nice. It looks a little bit different. Inside the box, you have a standard USB-C cable, a SIM removal tool, and some paperwork, some standard regulatory information, iPhone. You don't get much things included with the iPhone box, unfortunately. The iPhone looks really nice. I like this cosmic orange color. Usually I prefer colors like silver or black, but this time I decided to go with this flashy orange color, and you know what? I'm not disappointed. It looks nice, it looks different, at least something new. This time I decided to buy a smaller phone because usually I'm buying the Pro Max models, but honestly, the Pro Max models are just too big, too heavy, so this time I decided to buy the regular iPhone 17 Pro, and my first impressions are rather positive. Unfortunately, it's made of aluminum, so it's no longer titanium, so probably it will be scratched pretty easily. Personally, I prefer the new iPhone Air. At least it looks different, it feels different when you hold it in your hand, but this cosmic orange color is not bad as well. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this new iPhone 17 Pro. Do you like this new cosmic orange color? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.